Hi everyone! Today we're going to be going to Gardens by the Bay, where we're going to be enjoying the OCBC Skywalk so that we can adventure what it has to offer. So let's come along and let's enjoy the fun.
Here of the OCBC Skyway. So you can see a panoramic view. Over there is the flower dome, the cloud forest. It's themed after Avatar movie. It's very nice. So the theme here is to preserve environment, preserve the rainforest. You can see the sky wheel. Over here is Marina by the Bay Sands Hotel.
It's a 180-degree distance, and it was a beautiful view of the surrounding areas of the marina as well as the gardens, and we had such a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos on Singapore or other destinations that we've been to, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification.